I can't believe it, I've done it once again. I just made a whopping $2,341.04 this week in pure profit. These earnings were deposited directly into my bank account, which means I'm free to spend this money. And this is just one of the many deposits I receive into my bank account on a weekly basis. Heck, even on a bad month, I receive a minimum of $15,000. And that's 100% profit. So, how do I pull it off? Is it things related to dropshipping, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, social media, high-ticket sales, or the typical methods for making money online? Absolutely not. And let's face it, those things haven't worked out so well for you in the past. This is completely different and something you've never seen before. The secret up my sleeve is Read for Money. What this does is pay us $11 per minute for doing the simple, brainless task of reading.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and trainings that help you elevate your business and your life to the next level. If making money online is your desire and your intention, here I review cloud-based products, digital products that will generally help you make money online. And today I have another amazing software called 99Read. 99Read is being launched by the super affiliate Branson Day, Sir Branson Day, and is going live on the 22nd of April 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And in a nutshell, it's a software that is simply designed to help you collect and read emails and make money doing so. Each time you do so, you stand to make nearly $10 for just reading and collecting materials online, especially when it has to do with Google, Mail, and that of Yahoo, thereabout, I think so. And so it sounds too good to be true, because I mean, how can you just read things and then you are paid for reading, But I know that everything is possible online, and that is exactly why I am reviewing this, knowing that Branson Tay is one of the top vendors and creators there, and so as such I believe that this is going to do exactly what it says it's going to do. In any case, if you are interested in this one to read and collect emails and make money, I mean, who else wouldn't want to do that? And for that reason, if you are interested, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will generally bring you to the amazing bonus page that I have lined up for you, which is exactly this here. You can grab a copy with this link, and of course any of the other red links scattered all over this bonus page. When you do, they will take you to the sales page, where you can use any of the red links there, like this one, to pick up a copy. When you do, a copy of 99Read will be yours, and then you will be able to make money using it. Now, with that said, I will run through the amazing bonuses that I have for you, and then take you through the pricing. Unfortunately, my password is not working for the review access of the dashboard area of the software itself, so definitely it will not be possible for me to go to the members area of this one today. But in any case, coming from Branson Day, I decided to do this one anyway. In any case, let me show you through my amazing bonuses for you, as long as you pick up this one using my link. This is my bonus number 1, 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, how to create a free professional website. And bonus number 3 will be how to convert your traffic fast. Bonus number 4, how to get traffic to any link of your choice. And of course, all the vendor bonuses, which I'm going to show you on the sales page. With that said, let us take a look at the pricing for this one. The very front end for this 99Read goes for $19, and it gives you access to the dashboard, which I am not able to show you because my password for this very site is not working. And OTO number 1 will be unlimited version of the front end, which is this, which unlock all the premium features for 99Read. Supercharge your 99 account to 100%, 100 times stroke profit, twice as fast as with unlimited edition. And of course, remove all limits, create unlimited 99Read profit campaigns. So that's basically what you have here, as long as this one is concerned. And OTO number 2 will be the done for you version of this. OTO number 2 is done for you. It goes for $297, and it gives you 100% hand-free income while they do all the work for you, and so many other advantages. That's done for you. If you want everything to be done for you by the support, that will be the one you are getting. Now, OTO number 3 will be hands-free automation, which is automated. And of course, it complies with my one of my bonuses here, which means you can make money on autopilot. OTO number 4 will be 5 times income multiplier. It goes for 47. OTO number 5, limitless traffic, goes for 107, which means there will be traffic to driven, just like I have one of my bonuses driven to this very program. And the OTO number 6 with franchise license, it goes for 297 as well. And OTO number 7, emergency cash, goes for 67. And here are some of the amazing benefits you stand to gain when you eventually pick up this. And it has a 30-day money back guarantee. And if you don't make money with this, they are promising to pay you $300 for your troubles. So basically, that's about what you get with this very one. Now, let us quickly take a look at the sales page and see if we can go through and see what it's all about. At your convenience, like I know, you will definitely have access to this. See the testimonials and income proof from the beta testers of this one. Here are 32 beginners to text out the 99 read, and they are actually proving that they are making money with it. Okay, but in any case, buy the product for what it does, which is to help you make money while you collect and read emails. So that's basically 3 steps to set up, assess, activate, and then you read and make money. So that's what you have there. Let us see if we can locate the vendor bonuses that is going to be yours, and then of course see if that will help you make up your mind. 4 from me and probably 5 or thereabout, I'm not sure, from the vendor. That will give you amazing incentives that you need to get this one up. It's a lazy man's actual software that helps you read materials using the software itself, which is going to be programmed in a way that it will generate funds for you. Monetized emails, addresses, and provisions that you can read and make money. It's all about monetizing the ability for you to read using certain sites and thereabout, which are actually a secret that you are going to find out eventually on the members area of the software. Okay, so let's take a look at the bonuses that the vendor is promising to give you, which I am going to give to you as well, and then you'll be able to use that as incentive to see if this is going to be for you. Okay, this is bonus number 1 from the vendor. It has to do with 1K a day live masterclass. Bonus number 2 will be 30 speed 30-second free commissions. Bonus number 3 will be 513 per day viral loophole. Bonus number 4, 99 read commercial license. Bonus number 5 will be 1 million a year blueprint. This is basically 5 bonuses from the vendor, 4 from me, making it 9 crazy bonuses. And then of course that will be, I guess, enough for you to see if this is going to be for you. These are my bonuses for you, and then 4 from me, 5 from the vendor, and that will give you automatically, when you eventually use this very link, you get to this very sales page where you use any of the red links there to check out on this one. When you click here, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where eventually you are going to buy this product. When you do, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to your purchase 99 read, and here you have this blue one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. And with that said, we will come definitely to the end of this one. If you are new to my channel, this is the time I encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications, and I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. It's goodbye.